Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wildin' in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden.
Yeah, man. Today we over here at Urban Sprouts Farm, over here off Lakewood. You know what I'm saying? Southwest ATL. We about to get it in real quick. Not too far away from 166 and Lakewood Amphitheater. I know they changed the name and everything, but we're not too far away from that. Waiting on my man Nuri to go ahead and come up through here so he can let us off in this thing and crack the gate open so we can take a tour, see what he got popping over here. You dig?
That way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing. You can catch me outside.
Yeah, man, we're finally in here.
Yes, sir.
My boy Nuri in this thing, the owner of Urban Sprouts Farm over here in Lakewood, right?
Lakewood.
Yeah, man, right off 166. Yep. Y'all see it behind us. That's the highway right there. You dig what I'm saying? He making it do what it do over here. I'm about to turn that camera for you. Man, it's like a whole compound back there he got going down. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let him tell us real quick before we get into the tour, like what was here? Cause this a lot of land, man.
Yeah, it's used to be a 5-acre motel, 0.5-star motel. This shit was trapped out. Now it's just the bando turned into a organic farm, man, a plant nursery. So,
Nice.
yeah, it used to be real bad. Now it's empty and abandoned, and we're growing lots of food out here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up. So now we about to get into this tour and see what he got going on out here at the Urban Sprouts Farm. You dig?
All right, y'all, what's up? We out here, Urban Sprout. This is our flower patch. You know, we got good flowers growing for the spring. Put them in the fall. My man Daniel working this spot, man, and yeah, it's gonna be beautiful when you come on in. Buku flowers. Got the high tunnel over there with some strawberries and some microgreens in it. And behind that, we got some kale, some radishes, and the old antique Shasta teardrop trailer in the food forest. And yeah, on the road, we got the raised beds, not made out of cedar, made out of Atlanta's own trees, and composted up. We got perennials and annuals in there, and mint is taking over. Keep going down here. We got the tiny house coming up. We got our plant sale area, our farmers market scene every Saturday in the spring and summer. Saturdays 9 to 1. We got the farmers market and plant sale, the organic shop for your plants. So all your little baby plant starts, you ain't got those seeds, we got the plant starts. And oh yeah, we got organic soil too, man. This soil costs a lot of money. Came from South Georgia. It's organic, longwood plantation. It's the best soil in Atlanta. You guys come bag it up. Potting soil. Got organic compost. So mix it in your beds. You got the potting soil for your raised beds and your pots. So yeah, come check us out. Put an order in. Bag it up. Take it home. Feed your plants. All right, y'all, this is the plant sale area, man, a little farmer's market scene. Right now, it's a little dry right now because it's cold, it's the fall, but we still got some stragglers out here. We're tightening everything up, doing infrastructure work. In the back there, you got our wash pack station coming in. The winter time is when you guys want to do all your infrastructure builds, man. It's not all hot and buggy, and you're not like slapping bugs and stuff. And yeah, this is a little high tunnel scene. It's about, I don't know, 15, 20 degrees warmer in here. And we're growing strawberries, so in the springtime, we'll be bunking with them strawberries. And this side, we're gonna do some microgreens right in here. And this thing, roll it back, throw some microgreens. And in the early spring, we'll put a fresh row of tomatoes in there, get them started early. So yeah, this is our little setup in here. It's not too advanced, but you know, it gets done. So yeah, we up here in the compost tea area, the plant sale area, the workshop zone. Got a little fire thing with compost circle. But this is the compost tea brewer we made, aka the Vortex brewer, and this is how we make that dank compost tea that we feed our plants. We're really feeding the soil to help feed the plants, increase your microbiological life inside the soil. This compost tea. On Saturdays, y'all know where you can find it, right here. And right behind us, you know, that learning garden, got that good companion plants. Out there, got a little hot tub where we started a lot of plant starts to keep things warm, and a bunch of art. And we can walk on over to that stage, show you guys where we get down.
Now I told y'all we right here by the highway. You can see the sign right there.
Yeah, you can see the airport tower.
Airport tower. All like that. You know what I'm saying? Probably a no-flight zone for the drone. You dig? This is what we got back here.
Wow. It's the art hangout back here, man. These guys were getting in for years.
Look at that.
They come switch it up every year.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. That good art, man. If you ever ride down 75, 85, north or south,
yeah,
just look to the side. Oh, north is definitely. I know you can see some of this dope art.
Yeah, you can
know
see
what I'm saying?
billboard.
Man, it's a beautiful thing out here to be, you know what I'm saying, so secluded in a little compound. It'll be right down the street from downtown. You know what I mean? A hop, skip, and a jump away from the big city. But living luxury out here in seclusion. You dig what I'm saying? Urban Sprouts Farm. You dig?
That art from Atlanta's finest artists. We got Rashad. Y'all follow these guys on IG. Rashad. The one and only Paper Frank. What up, Paper Frank? Turbo Benson and Max Stewart Art. All solid artists, man. They came out here in 2014 and painted up for the Phoenix Fest. And if y'all want to do an event out here, man, y'all hit me in the DM, Urban Sprout Farms. Go on our website, sign up for our newsletter. But here we're building the awning over our stage because we want to do this rain or shine. We want to be out here. If it rains, we want to still be partying. So, building this. Big ups to Permaculture Action Network for coming out here and helping get everything started and helping buy some materials. You know, that's a big help to a young farmer. And yeah, we got a stage, we got the big screen. You know y'all like entertainment, man. So you know we can throw that big screen up there so we can shine and have y'all shine. So yeah, if you a local artist, man, you want to come out here on the stage and you know bring your following, come hang out outside. Y'all book something quick, man, because 19 is booking up real fast. So got the fire pit, man. We got this fire blazing so strong you can see it from the highway, man. People gonna come here like, man, we saw the fire from the highway. So the bar area. We don't serve drinks. We just serve local food, you know. Y'all bring your own drink.
Hey man, it's going down over here in Lakewood, man.
Yeah.
Lurie got it popping off in this thing, man. You dig what I'm saying? Look at it. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? You got the stars and the quasars. You got some little frisbee golf going on in the corner. You know what I'm saying? So come on out here. Check it out. Urban Sprouts Farm. You dig what I'm saying? He got it going on down here. What, southeast Atlanta?
Southwest Atlanta, yeah.
Southwest, something like that. Yeah. Off of 166.
We on South Side.
Yeah. Right by Lakewood Stadium and the amphitheater. You know what I'm saying? Not too far away from 166. Probably less than a mile.
Yeah.
Well, you can, you hear it, see it from right there. Oh yeah, y'all see it. Tiny house in the back. You know what I'm saying? Come get your Airbnb on too.
Yes, sir.
You dig what I'm saying? Y'all be easy. Now catch y'all later.
Peace. Yeah, but what's up, y'all, man? We standing at the Living Pool, Urban Sprout. Man, this pool, if you can imagine, it didn't look like this at first. It was all filled with like, you know, some trash and soil and stuff. We cleaned it out. Cattails were already in here. We put some lily pads and some other, some water lettuce and some other big leaf plants. I forgot what they called. We put koi and goldfish in here. They're down there at the bottom chilling to eat all the mosquitoes because this would just be standing water and the mosquitoes would just thrive. So They're in here. We got a couple of algae eaters. If they're still alive, I haven't seen them in years. But the koi we put in here are this big, now probably about this big. And even the goldfish, which are carp, we put them in here this big, like I've seen some about that big. So, yeah guys, if you guys interested in tours, anything, come check us out. Man, Lelo gonna be out here with the good animals, good animal energy. And yeah, we're gonna be dropping knowledge on the kids, grandmas, everybody in between. So yeah, y'all subscribe, hit the like button, go check out our websites, our IGs, show your love and support, man. That's about it, man. ATL.